Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. Madhu Kela is a veteran investor in the Indian stock markets. Now he has acquired 7,08,800 shares of a niche SME stock during the September quarter. His name does not appear in the shareholding pattern for the June quarter of the same company. After this acquisition, his stake in the company stands at a total of 3.76%. Imperative to mention here that Vijay Kedia is also a very large investor in this company from the very outset. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Innovators Facade Systems Limited, which is available at Rs 51.80 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is INNOVATORS. Now Innovators Facade Systems Limited is an India-based company engaged in the design, fabrication and installation of facade systems and elements. The company provides its infrastructure services to airports, residential and other commercial projects. Now, as is evident from the chart after listing, the company has not really done much throughout the entire year and has been an underperformer. The market cap of the company is 96.32 crores, which means that the company is a microcap one. The EPS of 4.20 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 12.33, which is much cheaper when compared with the industry PE of 23.84. The book value of 45.8422 also translates into a reasonable price to book ratio of 1.1299. The debt to equity for this company stands at a figure of 0.5840, whereas the dividend yield is 0 as the company did not pay out any dividends. Another strong factor for this company is the high promoter holding, and this stands at a figure of 61.88%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.